Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 26th on a Thursday, and the pattern is really developing into a very ugly tape right now. And you can see the SPYs below all their key moving averages. As a matter of fact, if you were to turn this chart upside down, this would be a beautiful bullish setup to the upside. So we are gapping down a little bit today. We fought back on some GDP numbers, but still. The price action it's what's going to dictate, the setup. So we're going to take a look at some setups, but just keep in the back of your mind, I'm doing very little, if anything at all, right now. And but there's a couple of setups. Let's go through them. First on my list is SWN. Okay, this is a pattern that had a nice kind of explosive green bar there with some good volume, and it's pulled back now. It's still holding this 10-period moving average. Get a break above this 4-day high there. Could be interesting in SWN. Okay, how about CTRE? Another nice pattern. It's having a hard time getting back above its 10-period moving average, but if it does, you got a nice developed bit of resistance there, and my alert already went off. I had to reset that, but look for a move above that 3-day high there in CTRE. Another one is EPAC. Once again, nice big, he had earnings. That yellow dictates earnings, had a big explosive move, come down. It's not even touching its 10-period moving average. So watch this one. I'll just set alert on this one right here, just above that little 4-day high there. One last one real quick is Gilead. Gilead is holding up nicely. Pulled back to a key support level and trying to reclaim that 10-period moving average. Okay, breaks that 4-day low there, I'd be out, but nonetheless a pretty decent setup there. Have a great one. Keep it tight. Talk to you tomorrow.